starting to get cold here in Ohio, which is just making me want to finish this van quicker. So with that being said, I'm gonna start framing out the kitchen. Guys, look at this. What just came in. We got a countertop. Now the countertop most likely is not going in today, but I'm just glad it came in. It's like one of those finishing touches to the whole thing. So, but I'm excited to put it in most likely tomorrow or the next day. Okay, down here on this lower part, I just built this. This is gonna go underneath it. And this is gonna sit in here like this. So, if you look right here, and then that spot's gonna be able to hold at least one pair of shoes. So, then I'm gonna create like a little sliding door right here, and then I can just slide my shoes in right there. Most likely just going to be able to fit one pair of shoes, but that's one more pair of shoes I don't have to put anywhere else. So alright, so I just finished framing out the kitchen. Now just need to cut the countertop. Okay, new day today. I actually ended up cutting this down a little bit. Now I'm just gonna put on these sides over here. Countertop, it's right there. Countertop fits well. What's nice about this is, so I have this piece now. I have that piece, and that's gonna mount onto my Lagoon mount. So then that's gonna be my table for when I'm actually eating and working and doing stuff. Alright, here are these three sides. Now I just need to cut out the front part and then cut out some holes for where the drawers are gonna go. And then I can cut the countertop to where the stove and sink's gonna go. So, making good progress today. Alright. Alright, so I just got all the faces on these. Now I want to know from you guys, should I do like green as the main color and then like a white trim at the bottom? Or should I do white with like green at the bottom? And it would be that color green that's up there. So just let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, might as well click subscribe. Okay, so it's a little bit later than the last time you saw me. It's currently nighttime. I just got home from work. Just finished cutting these out. Now I'm just gonna peel off this tape. Put the countertop in. Put the sink and stove in after that. Slow down, look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going. Alright, I'm officially frustrated. I didn't cut the countertop wide enough for the sink. Stove looks good. I mean, hell yeah. So, but I've reached my limit for the day. I'll just make a small cut, put the sink in tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Just need to take out this countertop now, cut off a little bit for the sink, and then put it back in.
Hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down and look around you, son.
And here we have it. Nice counter with the sink and stove on top of it. Just glad shit's working out with this van build. I don't know anything about like any of this stuff, so but next week we're gonna put a bench all the way over there. Then the week after that I'm gonna do like finishing touches, so finish out the shelves, put the drawers in this counter, things like that. Put a fold up table right here, swivel seat on that side. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you all for watching, really means a lot. And pretty much that's it. Yeah, see you guys next week.
Easy now.